a bird.
Oh, I know. Maggie, sure. Come here.
We don't have any.
Yes, how did you know that?
Because it's so simple. What is this for?
No, that's too big. Like this will be a real boat, watch.
Wait, but we have to put a fin.
Okay?
Fin to like, you know, like to stick to it.
Yes, yes.
Oh.
Watch. Okay.
Oh, I know. There's one we can. Wait, I'll find that a fit. This piece.
What?
Here. Don't thick.
Oh, this will be okay. Watch.
Wait.
We make a boat.
Here.
You get a
Meet this.
Don't
How
fall
do
in.
I stop it?
With this stick you will stop when he comes by, okay? But wait, we are not ready yet, okay?
Yep. Oh, see the lake. It's so deep. Okay. Yeah.
Wait, I'll let you know when I'm ready.
One shore. Where can we go?
Wait, I have to go there.
Oh, you already did that. Come over here. No, we didn't.
Yeah, it's soft.
No. I'll show you where. Look at that stick. Yeah. How are you gonna do it over here?
Are you ready for boat?
Wait, I'm gonna come closer. Right
No.
here?
Yeah, no. You stay there and don't fall in. Okay?
Maybe.
There you go, the boat is
It's going the
coming.
wrong way.
Wait, it will go. It will go.
Blow it. Blow it.
We have to have the boat.
Okay, I'll blow it.
Yes, we have to have the boat.
Yeah.
Watch it, it's coming.
Oh, the more
Say a little bit more.
It's coming slowly, okay? Takes time.
Stay there. Okay.
We will, no, don't go down. That's soft. You see how it's soft? We will catch it.
Okay, I got it. Wrong one.
Have to find better wood, okay?
I know to hold it.
You have to find a better boat.
You need perfect boat. That's why you need flowers to make your garden all good. What did stab me? You stabbed me. Shirt. I forgot.
What about?
Maple leaf?
Yes, and what about this one? Oak leaf, right?
Oak leaf.
Okay, so we make a boat here, right?
Maple leaf, oak leaf.
Maple leaf and oak leaf. And
Can we put a flower on it?
okay, you see, that will be our boat. We will let
Put a
it go.
flower.
Okay, you wanna put one? No problem.
That one.
No, that one you have in your hand. Put on the front here, right? Okay. Let's stick it in the front.
But what's not make if it falls off, just
It's very hard to put it here,
if
right?
it falls off, just get it and put it back.
Okay, we have here a flower on the boat.
Yeah.
Look.
If it falls, you
Okay,
can,
there is our boat.
it goes in the water.
Yeah.
You can rescue it for me.
Okay.